We're in session in cause number 328-782. The case is styled the state of Texas versus Courtney Devon Williams.
Yes, Your Honor.
Okay, are y'all ready?
Touch your screen. Now you see where it says there you go. Yes, Your Honor.
Okay, yeah, she's trying to take her deal off of mute.
There we go.
There it is. Okay.
Good morning.
Okay, we're in session in cause number 328-782. The case is styled the state of Texas versus Courtney Devon Williams. We have Courtney Devon Williams appearing via Zoom. Ms. Williams, would you please raise your right hand? Ms. Williams, do you swear or affirm to tell the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth to help you God?
Yes, sir. I do.
You may put your hand down.
Thank you.
How are you doing, Ms. Williams?
I'm finding yourself.
I'm doing fine. Thanks for asking, Ms. Williams. You represented here in this case by your attorney, Mr. Antoine Freeman.
Yes, sir.
Mr. Freeman, how are you doing?
Good, Your Honor.
That's good. Mr. Freeman, do you waive a record in Ms. Williams' case?
Yes, Your Honor.
Ms. Williams, I have before me an information that alleges that on or about, actually, it's a two-count information. I have a two-count information that one alleges that on or about December 15 of 2020, while you were in Jefferson County, Texas, that you committed the Class B misdemeanor offense of possession of a controlled substance penalty group 2 in both counts. Ms. Williams, to this information, how do you plead? Guilty, not guilty, or no contest?
Guilty.
Guilty? Now, are you pleading guilty freely, voluntarily?
I'm sorry.
Are you pleading guilty freely and voluntarily?
Yes, sir.
And are you pleading guilty because you are guilty?
Yes, sir.
Now, Ms. Williams, I have before me. Oh, yeah. Now, I have before me, Ms. Williams, a document that is titled the misdemeanor plea admonishment, is also labeled as State's Exhibit number 1 on page 2. Okay, Mr. Freeman.
Yes, Your Honor.
On page, hold on a minute. Okay, now, okay, on page 2 of this document, Ms. Williams, there are a set of initials on a line next to a box that's checked guilty. Did you place your initials on this document?
Yes, sir.
And on page 3 of the same document, there's a signature above the line that's titled defendant. Is that your signature?
Yes, sir.
And on the next document, which is titled trial court certification of defendant's right of appeal, there's a signature above the line that is titled defendant. Is that your signature?
Yes, sir.
And there are 2 boxes that are checked at the top of this document. The first box that's checked states that this is a plea bargain case and you have no right of appeal. Do you understand that?
Yes, sir, I do.
And the second box that's checked states that you're waiving your right to an appeal, which means you're giving up your right to an appeal. Do you understand that?
Yes, sir, I do.
Ms. Williams, did you sign a document out there that is titled the discovery certification?
Yes, sir.
And Ms. Williams, prior to signing and initialing these documents that I have just mentioned, did your attorney go over these documents with you?
Yes, sir.
And did you read and understand everything in these documents?
Yes, sir, I did.
And is everything in these documents true and correct to the best of your knowledge?
Yes, they are.
State, I have before me State's Exhibit number 1. State, you like to offer State's 1?
Yes, Your Honor.
Any objections, Mr. Freeman?
Your Honor, I think I might have written that as a Class A. Other than that, if the court would change that, I have no objections to it.
Let's see.
And yes, sir, I corrected it, Mr. Freeman. Yes.
Thank you, Mr. Ward.
Yes, he has to
Yes,
be on
sir.
here. Okay. So you have no objections to State's exhibits number 1?
No objections, Your Honor.
Okay. Now, Mr. Freeman, you advised and counsel Ms. Williams. Is there any evidence that she's currently mentally incompetent to stand trial?
No, Your Honor.
Ms. Williams, your attorney, Mr. Freeman, has advised and counseled you. Are you satisfied with his representation?
Yes, sir, I am.
Has he provided full, effective, and competent legal representation?
Yes.
Okay, Ms. Williams, I will accept your plea of guilty. I will find that you are mentally competent to stand trial. I will also find that your plea and waivers were freely and voluntarily given. And I will also find that there is sufficient evidence to find you guilty beyond a reasonable doubt.
Thank you.
State, do we have a plea bargain agreement?
Yes, Your Honor.
And what is that agreement?
It's a 15 days county jail. Ms. Williams has 15 days credit for time served, so court costs to be taxed and retired.
Ms. Williams, the state is offering that you serve 15 days in the Jefferson County Jail. However, you will not have to serve any more time in the Jefferson County Jail on this case because you've already served 15 days. Therefore, you will be given credit for time served. The court cost in this case is $402, but you will not have to pay the $402 because the time that you have spent in jail has already paid it off. Therefore, the court cost will be taxed and retired.
Thank you.
Ms. do you understand the state's offer?
Yes, sir, I do.
And do you think that the state's offer in your case is fair and just?
Yes, it is.
And do you accept the state's offer?
I do accept the offer.
Okay, Ms. Williams, I'll follow the plea bargain agreement that you have entered into with the state. Ms. Williams, this will conclude the case. You can follow the bailiff and you have a blessed day.
You too. Thank you so much. Have a blessing as well.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
And Mr. Freeman, I think this is your only case. You're free to go.
Thank you, Your Honor.
And you have a blessed day as well.
Thank you. You too.
Thank you.